All right, here we go. Good luck, Steven. cardshark36 is going to do box 77. There it is right there. 77. Let's see if I remember the hits. I'll tell you right now. Oh, I know how to tell the hits anyways. Yeah, you got it. I know how to tell the hits anyways. Well, I don't know how to tell the hits. I'll save them though. We got a blue Goldberg. 21 of 50. Goldberg. This should be a hit. Yep, that's a hit right there. And let me just double check if I'm sure that is a hit. It is not a hit. Alright. Nikki Bella, that's not numbered. Virgil. Ravishing Rick Rude. Not numbered either. Duh. You want the base cards in this? Sorry. Rob Van Dam, Brian Knobs. That's going to be a hit right there. Ooh. Alright, that's a hit right here too. So I'll put that over there. Fine. Papa Shango. 43 of 99, Papa Shango. Bret the Hitman Hart. 86 of 99. All right. Do you want to see the relics first? Or do you want to see the autographs first? My call? I say we see the relics first. Just sort this out real quick. Sleeve the top on it. I see the top. Yeah, you could get a combination of 3 autos and 1 relic, or you could get 4 autos. I think this might be the 3 autos, 1 relic. Sting! 115 of 299. The Stinger. I still have a chance in those to get his autograph. Regular. Alright. Alright, this is going to be the other. This is going to probably be a belt autograph. It's numbered at 50. 16 of 50. Who's it going to be? So we can tell the autograph. Boom! Skiddity boom! Skiddity boom! Bret the Hitman Hart. $16 of $50. Very nice. All right. It goes like this. Who's it gonna be? Oh, it's the old school logo. 157 of 299. Michael P.S. Hayes. Dog the Bounty Hunter. And the final autograph. There we go. Ooh, number to 50. Brutus, the Barber Beefcake. $34 of 50. A nice little box. Very nice. Good stuff. Thank you, Steven. Appreciate it, sir, as always.